Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chart, and you'll have the choice to either play the B major chord, composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. And you could play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you play the melody instead, and in that case, you'll play like this. So the B and the D sharp like this. And then the B and the D sharp 3 times, followed by the E and the D sharp. And eventually you'll play the B and the D sharp twice, followed by the B, the C sharp, and the B. And it'll sound like this. You can then move on to the verse, which uses this new chart, and of course you'll get some additional chords, starting with the E major, composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then the F sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then the G sharp minor, composed of the D sharp, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of G sharp. And eventually, the C sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And for now, you'll play and hold these chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And with the lyric, I rest my case, sophisticated, reckless like I promised, and I had it, then I managed, and you talk me through it, baby, do it. And at this point, you will play the first section a second time and then finish with the G sharp minor chord. Well, you saved me, then you made me rich and famous, living legend, lies and games. I died in vain, blowing my own ashes in the wind. And now let's move on to the chorus with this new chart, and this time you will play the chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what you want me to do. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for anyone who loves me. Tell me what you want me to be. I'll do it for free. I'll do it for anyone who loves me. You've just played this chart twice, and now you will need to play it 2 more times to finish the chorus. We're not your fancy dolls, you better set us free, or else we'll fuck you up. We'll fuck you up. We're not your fancy dolls, you better set us free, or else we'll fuck you up. We'll fuck you up. And once that's done, you can go back to what you played from the first verse and play the entire structure one more time. And right after the second chorus, you'll get to a bridge, which will be played using this new chart. And you can also shift everything up by 1 octave, so instead of playing the C sharp minor like this, you're gonna play it here. And same goes for the other chords. Doesn't matter, baby, 'cause the sky is a lonely place to be. Oh, it doesn't matter anyways, 'cause the sky is a lonely place. And at this moment, you will finish the bridge using the chorus chart. I'm displaying it again for you, and will stay in the higher register. The sky is a lonely place. Tell me what you want me to. I'll do what you want me to. And now you move straight into the final chorus using the same chart, but this time returning to the center of your piano. You will play the chart 4 times, and you can finish on the last chord of the chart, which is the E major. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you in the next one.